I'm here in Lockwood Valley, California. It's where I grew up. And right behind me and all around me is where I did my rabbit hunting as a young 9-year-old boy, all the way up through my teen years. And I want to do something that I want to talk about, and that is the memories of the past. To me, this is a very special place, and I have such fond memories of my great uncle Jack, who built the cabin that I lived in with my family. And he was a World War I veteran, so he was always bigger than life to me. And I loved being here. I hated to leave. When I left in about the age of about 12 years old, I wanted to stay here and live here and just do everything here in the mountains, because I always loved the mountains. I didn't want to live in Los Angeles, the big city. But you know, living in the past, you can get stuck in the past. And God doesn't want us to get stuck in the past. He tells us in Jeremiah that He has plans for us and a future for us. So don't get stuck in the past. Think about the past, love the memories of the past, but always live in the present with plans for the future, trusting God that He will lead and guide you for His purposes and for His glory. And so I'd like you to pause and ponder this word.